Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you an amazing way to improve the quality of your egg and get pregnant super fast. Like you can get pregnant with twins. Yeah, okay, this is actually very exciting and the ingredients are way effective and very simple. Okay, so and it's actually easy to do. Yeah, so if you want to know what it is, stay put, do continue watching, thumbs up, subscribe and share. Now let me take you right into the video. So this is what you're gonna be using to improve your egg quality. Yeah, this you use this. Yeah, I have the supplement. I'm gonna be showing you later. I have more supplements that I personally use. I would love to introduce you to them. Okay, and it's actually very good. So this is it, and this is what you're gonna be needing. This is moringa seed. Okay, so you're gonna be taking just few of this moringa seed. So you're gonna be heating the moringa seed to get the seed out of it. So this is it. Okay, so what you're going to do now is that we're going to be pounding it, since it's actually very small, tiny. We cannot blend it, so we're going to be pounding it. And for the garlic, we're going to be taking few cloves of garlic, about 3 or 4 depending. We're gonna heat them open. So I'm actually going to be taking 3 cloves of garlic and then put them into the moringa seed. Okay, so after pounding it, you have to be putting it into the cup. And then you put warm water to it. Okay. Now this is how it's going to be looking like, really white. I have this cloves powder. You can see that, just a little. I have just a few of it. This is cloves powder. Yeah, so you can actually order cloves online and then you blend it. Yeah, so this is actually cloves powder. So we are going to be putting just a few of the cloves powder into this. Okay, so after this is done, then you can either strain it out or you choose to drink it that way. but I would recommend you just strain it out Okay, so I'm actually gonna be sieving it out. Okay, so this is it, and I'm gonna be turning it back into the transparent cup, and this is what you got. Yeah, so this is going to help you to improve the quality of your egg. Now if you don't have the gloves, you can actually skip it and use the moringa seed and the garlic, but moringa seed and garlic is actually very important. Now I recommend you go get this supplement. It's actually a supplement. It's Forever supplement. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, this is Forever multi maca. This is Forever bee propolis. This is Forever bee pollen, and this is Forever royal jelly. Yeah, if you can get this supplement, man, you are getting pregnant for real. You are going to improve the quality of your egg for real. You are gonna have some beautiful twins for real. Okay, so you drink this as often as you can, guys, and you're good to go. Okay, so go give this a go, and I'm sure it's going to be working really fine on you, and it's going to be improving the quality of your egg, and you're going to get pregnant. Okay guys, so that's it. You know, you do this to improve the quality of your egg as a woman, and then you are gonna begin to reproduce. You are gonna begin to get pregnant, and you are gonna be pregnant with twins. Yeah. Okay, so I'm so excited. Yeah. All right guys, so if you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I will see you again. Bye.